Hey there, today I have these 4x4 silicone adhesive bandages sent over from the team at Dimora, and I have to say I'm very impressed with the features these have to offer. So to start with, each one of these is individually wrapped, which is always nice because it does keep the product sterile until it's time to use it. These peel open nice and easily when needed. And now that we have it open, you can see there's a nice border around it that is going to keep it fastened to your skin, and it has that pad in the middle of it. So I put the bandage over my knee so you could see the flexibility that this has. It flexes nice and easily while staying on. The foam dressing can handle moderate to heavy drainage, and that's going to be up to 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of liquid. I started pouring it on the pad here, and because it wasn't that saturated and I was moving too fast, it poured onto the plate. So then I just poured it all onto the plate and absorbed it up with the bandage, and it pulled in every bit of that liquid. If you look here closely, you can see that the bandage is actually puffed up holding that liquid, but it's not coming out of there and seeping back out onto my finger. Removing this bandage was also a nice experience because it didn't pull my leg hair, it peeled off nicely, and I didn't notice any residue whatsoever. If you're looking for a bandage that is going to stay in place, flex with you, peel off easily, and hold up to 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of liquid, then click the product link in the description below to get yours.